Hi, I'm David Lesnick. I started architectural woodworking over 40 years ago with some unique, innovative approaches to home remodeling. Remodeling the foyer stair was our first. After that, we developed the super stain process for refinishing. But today I'm here with a new innovative approach to kitchen cabinet remodeling. But before I tell you what that is, let me ask you this. Do you have upper cabinet doors that look like these? Would you like to replace them with a more up-to-date version, a more current look? That's our new innovation. We call it partial refacing, where we change out just the outdated doors, the outdated upper doors that is, leave the lower doors and drawer fronts that are still current, still look good, and then spray the kitchen out in either our durable solid color line of colors, the whites, off-whites, light grays that we have, or give you a deep, rich wood tone with our super stain process. So we're going to take a kitchen that looks like this to this. An entirely new look for a fraction of the cost of conventional refacing. This is what you get when you combine decades of architectural woodworking experience with top-of-the-line refinishing processes. Give us a call today to find out what we can do for you.